What was that?
What do you think it was, Seth?
Well, Keith, I don't know. If I knew, it wouldn't be a problem now, would it?
Seth, there's nothing out there.
I don't like it. It's sleeping outside. It's not natural.
You're not outside. You're in a tent.
You know what I mean.
Do you want to look outside so you can see there's nothing to be afraid of?
Yes, but you should do it.
Seth, there is
The communications team decided that they're going to sleep inside because Sam won't stop scaring everybody. Can one of y'all come help me?
Yes, I'm all over it. I'll go. I'm going.
That kid'll never grow up.
We should all be so lucky.
Good night.
Good night.